Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. Hey everyone, happy Friday. I hope you're having a great Friday so far. Today I want to talk to you about visual boredom and how that could be possibly affecting you in the workplace. That's right, visual boredom is something that can affect you no matter where you are. So do you guys remember? Do you remember that feeling that you got when you were younger and you'd change around your bedroom? That really refreshed, invigorated feeling that you received every time you went into that space? Well, there is actual science behind that. So there's something that is called visual boredom or environmental boredom, and it's when we get really used to and accustomed to our spaces. So for those of you who haven't met me before, I'm Naomi Findlay from naomifindlay.com, and I work with entrepreneurs, businesses and homeowners on creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces for them to thrive and grow in. And today we're talking about how visual boredom can affect you at home. So there's been some great studies that have come out that have linked visual boredom and environmental boredom to adult ADHD and some other depressive or mental illnesses that affect how we work in our workspace. And so how do we avoid this? That's a really interesting question. I've been asked this a lot lately. How do we avoid visual boredom? Well, one of the things to do is always change it up. And this doesn't have to be an expensive exercise. There are a couple of things you can do in your home office, for example, to help alleviate visual boredom. You can look at the way your desk is positioned and see whether every 6 to 12 months you could possibly change the position of your chair so you have a different outlook, or you could change the location of your desk. So there's placement. That's one way to help with visual boredom. But in a workspace or in a home office, there are a pile of other ways that you can make sure that you're changing up your environment to make sure that you don't self-medicate yourself with some visual boredom. So you can look at the colors that are in your office, the colors of the stationery you're using, the desk lamp you're using, or even the way you position things on your desk. These can all be, wow, that's really loud. These can all be things that can help break a cycle of visual boredom from setting up in the first place. So my step for today, the thing I'd love to see everybody do, is go have a look at your home offices or go have a look at where you're actually working and check out whether there's one or even two things that you could change to help create some difference in your environment and in your space to make sure that you're not self-medicating yourself with visual boredom. So if you'd like to learn more about how your spaces can nurture your creativity, productivity, and affect the bottom line of your businesses and your efficiency, head over to naomifindlay.com/space medicine series, and we have a free video series on there for you to check out. I hope you enjoyed today. Happy Friday. I will see you next week with some more tips. Bye.